Starts up first in electric mode, switch it up to sport, smooth throttle inputs, and the car just accelerates. Hey guys, here we have the all-new Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid, and before we take it for a drive, let's go ahead and check it out first. So back seat. This is set to my driving position already, and I have a great amount of legroom, footroom as well. Headroom, I have about this much. Fairly spacious back here. And for the center console, you have two cup holders. And rear amenities include a air vent here. You do have USB-C charging ports right there. And when I sit in the middle, it is still fairly comfortable. I still have a lot of headroom, and the floor is fairly flat. There's a little bit hump here. Door panels, you have this soft touch material right here, a cup holder, a big cup holder actually, and a speaker right there. This is all the cubby on the door. So it's a power operated tailgate. Nice size. You have a tonneau cover right here. Underneath you have a full-size spare. You do have a new tail light right there. The hybrid HEV. You have a new front fascia as well with a new headlight design as well as the grille. Let's go ahead and take it for a drive. So the doors open nice and wide. It also connects down to the door sill so you don't dirty your pants. Door sound is solid. You also have your soft touch material right here. Everything is built very well, as you'd expect from Toyota. So to start the Corolla Cross, you just have to put your foot on the brake and press the power button. So it starts up first in electric mode. There's no engine yet. And you can turn on the air conditioning here. So you have a large touchscreen right here. This is all new. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have your automatic headlights, automatic high beams. This is a 3-spoke design steering wheel, nicely leather wrapped. Multifunction controls on the side. You have your Toyota Safety Sense right here, and your radio controls and phone controls right here. Okay, so there you go. The engine kicked in already. The gauge cluster, you have a digital display on the center. So this is the center console. As you can see, it's narrow, but you have two cup holders, an electronic parking brake with auto hold function, and a CVT transmission with your drive modes right here, traction control off, and your EV mode on. You also have a wireless charging right here, which is a nice addition. Center console, you have a small center console surprisingly, but you can still fit some stuff in there. 12-volt power outlet right there. This is the key for the car. It does say Corolla Cross. And you have your lock, unlock, and your trunk release right here together with your panic button. So it does feel light, but still high quality. So to get it in drive, still have a traditional gear selector here. The electronic parking brake automatically disengages right here. Power delivery is smooth, and there's a lot of power here thanks to the electric, the battery and the engine working hand in hand. And we are just in normal mode, I believe. Visibility up front is great. You can see the hood line right here and the large side mirror, and you do feel like you're sitting inside the car, but the rear window on the rear view mirror, it's a little bit on the small side. So let's switch it up to sport or power mode, and there you go. Let's turn on. Oh, okay. So smooth throttle inputs, and the car just accelerates in power mode. It's like a different car already. So paired with that, electric motor is a naturally aspirated engine. And being a hybrid, you won't have that range anxiety as you get with most electric vehicles. You get the best of both worlds here, actually, because in city driving you can just flick it in EV mode and use less fuel, but if you're doing long trips, you can always switch it to the gasoline engine. And the power mode, once you get going on the highway, it will definitely pick up. One gripe is that the engine is a little bit on the loud side, so you can really hear it inside. Let's try to switch it. So EV mode is currently unavailable because the hybrid battery is on the low side. So let's switch it to eco mode. So in eco mode, fuel efficiency is being maximized. And when I put my foot on the accelerator, it's just wafting. This is the view at the back. You can see the C-pillar there is quite thick, and the window there is somehow small. You don't have a sunroof, but that's okay because it's really hot here in the Philippines, and this is much more practical. That's your front parking sensors. We are now riding on a bricked road, and there's not a lot of noise coming inside the cabin, but you can feel it because of those larger rims. But it's still an overall comfortable ride. Right now we're just cruising in electric power. What I noticed is that unlike with the RAV4 hybrid, you can feel the transition from EV to engine much more here. But granted, this is a smaller car as well. So it's time to park this Corolla Cross. Put it in reverse. You have a backup camera. Putting it in center is easy thanks to the guidance lines. Alright. And there's also a rear backup sensor to put it in park. And to turn it off, you press this and press the power button. Alright guys, that was a POV drive of the all-new Corolla Cross Hybrid. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified once I upload a new video. This has been TJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.